Hello everyone, I want to talk about a very important subject about what creams, moisturizers, serums and steps you use them. I hear very often, almost 9 out of 10 of my patients and people I talk to in the gym or even in Sainsbury or post office when I meet people and we start talking about skincare or fitness. What majority do, which I did exactly the same by using different kind of products from different brands and not seeing the results and blaming the product or a brand. Not serum from Sainsbury and cream from Tesco or cream from Sainsbury and serum from Dior. Some people I know, they buy very expensive face products but different brands and don't see the result and say, okay, that Dior I bought doesn't work for me, or that Elements I bought, the cream, serum, face wash, that doesn't work for me. It's not that they don't work, it's because you don't use one brand and routinely you have to use them often and one brand, please. It's so important. If you want to see the result, stick to one brand. I used to do the same and used serum I bought on Amazon and cream I bought from one very known brand, and I didn't see the difference on my skin. But once I start learning about Korean skincare, which is very wow, the knowledge, and you can see the Korean girls, women, they have like glossy, glass looking skin. They not go with one product, another product, another product. They use one brand and they stick and use it consistently. When I start learning about Korean beauty, I have learned so much and the way they use their skincare product. Currently I'm using Tendon. When I opened Cutting Edge Medical Aesthetics, I still had other products from here and there that I didn't want to throw away, and then I thought, I'm doing something wrong, let's learn more about it. And I dig deep and chose the Korean skincare, how they're looking after their skin, and that's when I noticed the difference. I like Tendon, and all my skincare product, including collagen, is from Tendon. If you're interested, let me know. I'm currently using, I will show you, I've got the last one left for my patient, this one. Buy this Collagen Pure, you will love it. I'm not advertising, I just like this product I use and it's for skin. I also use marine collagen and bovine collagen, that for muscle recovery, joints, and in general collagen powder are good. Liquid, well, I find it difficult to drink. I have the second bottle, the liquid collagen left, and every time it's like, I couldn't drink it. I feel like I want to gag. It's just no. So I stick to powder. So for beauty, for the skin, I use this, and other brands I use a marine collagen and bovine collagen. But when it comes to skin, I use only one brand, Tendon. I set everything for my client now, who is coming soon. The microneedling I'm going to do is different. Tendon have a very, very good product, but when it comes to mesotherapy and microneedling, with microneedling sometimes I would add ampoules from Tendon and mix them with other brands. But when it comes to, as I said, creams, serums, and everything that I use morning and evening, and sometimes daytime, I use everything from Tendon. I know it's hard to throw everything what you have and buy the whole set of one brand, and it's also not cheap, but it's worth it. It's absolutely worth it to stick to one brand. If you want me to help you with a skincare routine, please DM me or email me. The email you see on the screen, and I also add in the description below. And if you want to see the skin transformation, please let me know and I will help you with the baby steps. It's so important and so many people don't know about it and understand, because I was in this situation and I've learned a lot about Korean skincare. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and it's sunny now. And I'm going to see my next patient and I'm looking forward to see her skin transformation and help her with a skincare routine. Thank you.